Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. On this channel I do home decor, thrift store, dollar store hauls, some renovations, and a little bit of organizing and decluttering. So if that's the kind of stuff you like, make sure you stick around and watch this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I decorate my tiered trays. Now this is a two-tiered tray that I was using during my summer decor, and it was a lemon themed tiered tray. So I'm just going to show you what my process is. So I first start by taking it all apart, then I clean out the tray, and then I start putting in items. I usually try to put bulkier things at the back and then kind of go smaller at the front. Now, because this is a deeper tray, I do always have to build it up. My plan is to make something for the tray so it's a little bit higher, and so I'm not using a mishmash of things and then having to cover it up with florals and such. So I'm going to turn some music on, enjoy the music, and watch my process. I usually get my inspirations for these trays from Pinterest, and then I kind of like start putting it together, and then um, I sometimes wind up taking it all apart and putting it back together. I didn't for this one, but it's just really like a trial and error. Um, I will be doing another tray a little bit later so you can see, and that's a three-tier tray, so you can see what I did with that one. If you're ever interested in seeing my DIYs or anything like that, make sure you check out my Vesna TV channel where I do DIYs and furniture flips, furniture painting, Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm doing lots of craft fall DIYs, so make sure you check that out and you can see some of the things that I've made for my fall decor. So I got this cute little white pickup truck online, but I got two of them. I got a little red pickup truck and a white pickup truck, and I think it's just super, super cute for the tier trays. I haven't actually seen many like that at the stores, so I'm glad I got it. My little guys love to take it off the tray and play with it, but that's okay. This video is a part of a challenge. The challenge is hosted by Sonia at Domestic Diva Home. So if you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you check it out. She does home decor, organization, cleaning, super motivational for cleaning if you like that kind of stuff. She does her home tours. She's got a beautiful home. So make sure you check out her channel. She's got lots of great stuff, and she's got another two channels, Domestic Diva DIY and Domestic Diva Cooking. So make sure you check them out. She is co-hosting with Lisa Birmingham, who is another fantastic YouTuber. If you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you check it out. I'll have both linked in my description below. As well, I'm going to have the playlist linked in the description below. The playlist, you'll find lots of inspiration for these tier trays. So if Pinterest, between Pinterest and these YouTube videos, you're going to be all set for your tray decor. Now back to my tray. For my tray, I always like to add a little bit of floral behind, like all of my decor, and I usually have it like it's my bulky part. So at the top, I'll have like a little pot with like some greenery, and then at the bottom, I like to have some florals. So I have these ones from the Dollar Tree. Actually, all of these are from the Dollar Tree except for the little pot, as well as the pickup truck. The green ball is from Dollarama, which is a dollar store here in Canada. Um, so Dollar Tree or Dollarama, I guess, for both. But these florals are from Dollarama. I believe they are hydrangeas. And I chose to have the same colors um, on each side. So here it is completed. It's in my hallway in the corner. I think it turned out really nice. I think it's a super cute tier tray, and I love the neutral colors with a pop of orange and green. If you liked what you saw, make sure you give me that big thumbs up. Consider subscribing so you can see more, and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought. Make sure you check out the playlist and the two hosts, as well as these videos that I'm recommending for you at the end. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.